Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 9 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter solve equations. The lessons we're going to cover today are write and solve equations that represent diagrams, solve one-step linear equations, solve two-step linear equations, and solve equations using algebra tiles, right? Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 9 math. The chapter we are on right now is solve equations. Let's just start the first lesson, that is write and solve equation that represents diagrams. So you have to given the diagrams. Mhm. Okay, write an equation that says that the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. Okay, so the length of red and black line are equal, right? So the red line is given 27. Now look at the black line, right? So black line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7W, right? And then you need to add that 6. So that is 7W plus 6 equals 27 because the length of the black line and red line are exactly equal. So solve for W, that is 7W equals 27. Take away 6. So 27 take away 6 is 21, right? Divide both sides by 7W equals 3. So the correct option is. So the correct option is W equals 3, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line, right? So just look at the red line. The red line equals 16, right? Now look at black line. Black line has 1, 2, 3, 4 portions. So you can write 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, right? That means now the correct option is you just have to write the right. That is 2j equals 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. So the correct option is 2j equals 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is so the correct option is option number 1 is the correct option, that is 9g equals 45. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 3w equals 27. Yes, option number 1 is the correct option, that is 3w equals 27. Very good. Okay, the next one is write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So which is the correct option? That is 2s equals 18. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is, that is solve one's linear equation. Let's start with the lesson. So solve for w. You are given the equation. You need to solve it for it 3w, so you have 2 equals w divided by 3, right? So you need to move that 3 other side because you need to find the value of w. So 3 is dividing here, right? That means you are going to multiply 3 both sides, right? 3 times 1 is 3, so w equals 3 times 2 is 6. So the correct option is 6w. W equals 6, sorry, not 6w. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's see. Okay, solve for z. Z plus 7 equals 9. So which is the correct option? You have to isolate the variable z, right? So that means you need to remove 7 from here. 7 is adding, so opposite to addition is subtraction. Let's just subtract. 9 take away 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. You are left with z equals 9 minus 7 is 2. So the correct option is 2. What is the correct option? Okay, the next one is solve for k, which is the correct option. The correct option is k equals 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is solve for m, which is the correct option. The correct option is you have to multiply 4 other side, right? Yes, that is 14.8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is solve for f. So which is the correct option? The correct option is The correct option is f equals 9. You have to subtract 11 other side. So the correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is solve for w. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is w plus 1 equals 19.6. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 18.6. Okay, you can complete the lesson, and I think we are done with the lesson. Let me just move on to next lesson, that is 8.6. Our next lesson is that is solve two-step linear equations. Let's just start with the lesson. So you have 2y take away 2 equals 6. You have to solve the equation. Y, you need to isolate the variable y, right? First thing is move this to other side. So that is 2y equals 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 2y equals 8, right? Now you can divide both of them by 2. So that is x equals 4. So the correct option is y equals 4, right? Sorry, that's y variable. So y equals 4. Got it? So whenever we have to solve for a variable, we use inverse operations to undo the operations in the equation, right? Okay, let's just start with the test question. Let's see how do we solve them, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, w by 2 minus 1 equals 1, right? So you need to basically, the concept is you need to isolate the variable. Move negative one other side, w equals 2, right? The one other side you move, that is 1 plus 1. So w over 2 equals 2, right? Now you have to multiply to both sides because multiplication and division are opposite. So that is 60 equals, not that is w equals 4. So the correct option is 4. Got it? Okay, ZV plus 3 9. So which is the correct option? You need to solve the equation for V. So which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. 3. It is option number 1 is the correct option. For P, which is the correct option? Mm, that is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? 6 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is solve for S3 plus 2S equals 9. So which is the correct option? That is S equals, very good, option number 6. No, 3 it is. You have to subtract the other side, right? 2S equals 9 minus 3. 2S equals 6, right? Both sides by 2. S equals 3. C, option number 1 is the correct option, right? Option S equals 3 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is g over 2 minus 2 equals 1. So which is the correct option? 3, 6 it is. For this question, the correct option is 6, not 3. You can solve and check, right? Please get think and then answer, right? The next one is 8 equals 10 minus 2, so which is the correct option? 1, it is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. You just the next lesson. And the next lesson is model and solve equations using algebraic. So let's just start with the lesson. Which set of algebra tile represents x minus equals negative 11, right? So here you need to understand some basic things. Let me just explain. The negative numbers are always represented by the red tiles, right? So you are given x minus 6 equals negative 11, right? So this is the correct option. This is x, this is negative 7, and this is negative 11. So option number 4 is the correct option, right? Let's see where it is. D is the correct option. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which set of algebra tile represents the equation 3x minus 1 equals negative 25? So which is the correct option? Mm, the last one is the correct option, right? Fourth one, sorry. Option number D is the correct option. Use which algebra tile represents negative 6x equals negative 23. So which is the correct option? Yes, 4 is the correct option, right? D actually. Option D, right? Okay, which set of algebra tile represent the equation x minus 6 equals negative? Yes, again, D is the correct option, right? Okay, which set of algebra tile represents the equation negative 2x minus 3 equals negative 17? So, which is the correct option? So, that is again D, right? Okay, the next one is which equation does the set of algebra tile represent? You are given the algebra tile, you have to find equation. So, which is the correct option? That is x plus 6 equals 11, right? Option number 3 is the correct, C is the correct option. You can say that is x plus 6 equals 11. Which equation does the set of algebra tile represent? Which is the correct option? That is x plus 6 equals 11. Oh, that's on the same question. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 9 math. The chapter we were working on is solve equations, and the lessons we have covered today are write and solve equations that represent diagram, solve one step linear equations, solve two linear equations, model and solve equations using tiles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat but tutors are available there to help you, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5, right? So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So if you have any question, you can please ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.